Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through creating professional email campaigns and newsletters step by step using EngageBay's free plan. First, go to the Marketing module and select Email Marketing. Click Create Campaign and choose the type. For a one-time newsletter, select Regular Campaign. For an automated series like a welcome sequence, choose Autoresponder. Next, you'll pick a template. EngageBay's free plan includes a library of modern, responsive templates. Choose one that fits your brand. Now, use the drag and drop editor to customize. Click any text to edit it. Upload your logo and brand images. Change colors to match your style. Add buttons, social links, and divider lines to structure your newsletter. On the right side, fill in the campaign details, the subject line, sender name, and reply to email. Then, choose your recipient list. You can send to a saved segment like All Contacts or a specific list like Newsletter Subscribers. Preview your email on desktop and mobile. When it's perfect, schedule it to send immediately or at the best time for your audience. And that's it. You've just created and scheduled a professional email campaign to engage your audience completely for free. If you create a newsletter, let me know what topic you covered in the comments. See you in the next one.